Hello everyone. Today we discuss about the protein, classification of protein and source of protein. What is meant by protein? Protein it is an organic compound contain carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur. Protein is the 50% dry weight of cells. Total cell weight uh, is 70% of water plus 30% of protein. Protein is made up of amino acids. There are 20 amino acids in our body. Out of 20 amino acids, 9 are essential that need to take every day from food and 11 are non-essential that body make them with. Then the protein is the long chain like molecule that is the made up of small unit known as amino acid joined together by peptide bond. The word protein is derived from the Greek word proteos, which means primary or the leads. Like carbohydrate and fats, protein are the considered as the major nutrient for the body due to the energy they provides. Then a complete protein that has all amino acid including essential ones are means poultry, fish, dairy products, eggs and soy. Incomplete protein source include nuts, grains, fruits and vegetables. Therefore, it is the important for vegetarian to pair meals wisely in order to get all essential amino acid in their daily diets. Keratin is the types of protein that our hairs, nails and outer skin is made up of. Taking up too much protein can be dangerous to the body. It is the strain on the liver and kidney causing them to work extra hard to get rid of the extra protein. Like like the other energy source, carbohydrate and fats, too much protein can also lead weight gains. Did you know protein is a store in the body? That why it is so important to get the protein you need every day. How to digest the protein, digestion, peptide and amino acid, then absorption, amino acid. First is fat store glucose, energy plus urea, means nitrogens, then body proteins, enzyme, hormone, peptides, and antibodies. Then the classification of protein can be classified by structure, biological function and composition. First is structure protein. uh, on the basis of structure, primary structure, secondary structure, tertiary structure and quaternary structure on is divided. On the basis of biological function of proteins, protein depending upon their physical and chemical structures and location inside the cell, they perform the various function. Protein are grouped as follow based on their metabolic functions they perform. Enzymic proteins, they are the most varied and highly specified protein with catalytic activity. Enzyme catalyzes a variety of reactions. Structural protein, this protein aids in the stringing and protein biological structure, example keratin. Then the third is transport or carrier protein. These proteins help in the transport of the ions or molecule in the body, example hemoglobin. Fourth is a nutrient and storage protein. This protein provide the nutrition to growing the embryo and store ions. Then fifth is the contractile and motile protein. These proteins function in the contractile system. Example actin. Six types of protein is defense proteins. This protein defends against other organism, example antibodies. Then the seven is regulatory protein. They regulate cellular or metabolic activity. Example, hormones, insulin. It is toxic protein. This protein hydrolyze our degrade enzyme. Example, snake onome. Then the on the basis of composition, first is a simple protein are those which is hydrolysis yield only amino acid and no other major organic or inorganic hydrolysis product. Then second is conjugated protein are those which are hydrolysis yield not only amino acid but also organic or inorganic components. The non amino acid part of conjugated protein is called as prostic uh, groups. Then the function of the protein, growth and maintenance. Your body need to protein for growth and maintenance the our tissue. Then the causes biomolecular reaction. Body function that depend on the protein enzyme include digestion, energy production, blood clotting, muscle contraction. Act as the messenger. Protein is held the amino acid chain various length. Then the provide the structures. Then the maintenance the proper pH, then balance the fluid, and then the uh, strain human health, then transport and store nutrients and provide the energy. It is the function of the proteins. Thank you.